Hello and welcome to our new video lesson on spectral induced polarization workflow. This lesson I will demonstrate Born type inversion, which allow to find very good approximation, and this is not so time consuming. This time I will go with frequency domain example because mostly I show time domain data. So here I have this model of resistivity and inverted data set. This is polarizability channels for different frequencies. And here is description on these channels. This is, of course, in very low frequency range, what we need for spectral induced polarization or full waveform inversion. So here is only phase channel necessary for this inversion. We will start our Born type inversion with so-called time-lapse inversion for every AP channel. Let's try to do it. This is, can we make this with options? Time-lapse inversion. Now we invert all channels separately in single camera of consumption. And IP is a part of resistivity. It's not called or something. No, it's all inverted for every channel. Now we can go to the full waveform inversion model. We do not need to set up a digital filter for time domain because now it's frequency domain. Here we can see model for every frequency or phases, also in graphs. And now I will demonstrate you how to our view of improved options for Born inversion work. All we need here just to use this full option. What this Born inversion do? This is you separate inversion for every cell. We have a so-called decay of IP, which will result with standard inversion. And after this individual inversion for every cell, we have parameters where polarizability, tau, and C. Of course, it's if selected. Now I didn't select it for inversion, so only two parameters was inverted. Resistivity, we do not invert in this model. Okay, now we can see it's very good misfit between measured and calculated data. Sometimes not, but anyway, it's not so bad, especially as a first approximation for full waveform inversion, which of course much more time consuming. We can apply because all individual cell of course inverted separately for call parameters in this Born strategy, but we applied pseudo 2D smoothness, so this is not so bad shape of anomalies, and it's quite compacted. And of course, we can apply it very fast with different inversion parameters. For example, I can try to apply another type of inversion. Let's check. I can start with this model or with half spaces. So after that, my model is much more smoother, but of course, misfit is not that good. So this is a strategy or workflow you can use for interpretation of your frequency domain or time domain IP data for spectral induced polarization parameters. Thank you very much and see you soon.